Walking into the intelligent manufacturing workshop of RIUGOR, the fully automated production scene jumps in front of you. High-precision CNC machine tools imported from Germany, automatic heat treatment line from Japan, and industrial collaborative operation system structure realize the whole process operation of gears from blank processing to finished products. Through the MES manufacturing execution system, real-time monitoring of production data and dynamic optimization of process parameters increase production efficiency by 50% and shorten the delivery cycle by 40% compared with the traditional mode. The workshop focuses on the research and development of high-precision gears, combined with advanced technologies such as carburizing and quenching, to improve the accuracy and stability of products. The workshop builds a quality traceability system and uses intelligent equipment such as coordinate measuring instruments to realize online detection of key parameters such as tooth shape error and surface roughness. With the wisdom of science and technology and the heart of craftsmen, RIUGOR Transmission Gear Intelligent Manufacturing Workshop provides hardcore transmission for global high-end equipment.